Now I'm going to show you how to finish the center of the rosette using an outline technique instead of a solid center. Once again, I'm going to take my tapestry needle and pull it up through the center of the rosette from the bottom of the loom. And then this time, instead of going to the opposite end of the loom, we're going to go through the petal that's to the right of the one that we just pulled up through. And we're just going to move in a clockwise fashion around the loom. We'll pull the needle up through the center of the rosette petal, and we'll go back down through the center of the petal right next to the one we just did. And we just keep working in the same manner, pulling our needle up through the center of the rosette petal and back down through the center of the next rosette petal until we get back to our starting point at the contrast color peg. And we're going to do this a few times going around, so don't worry if you can't see the stitches right away. You'll be able to see them at the end. Now that we've gone all the way around the loom one direction, we're going to go back around in the opposite direction. So we'll go ahead and pull our tapestry needle up through the center of the rosette, coming up from the bottom of the loom, but this time we're going to work in a counterclockwise direction, so we're going to go to the left, pulling our tapestry needle down through the center, pulling the yarn through. And this will catch the parts of the petals that we didn't catch the first time we went around. We'll keep working this way all the way until we get back to our contrast colored peg. And we can do this as many times as you want. The more times you go around, the thicker the outline will be and the sturdier the center will be to hold all the petals together. I've gone around the rosette 3 times. So there's 3 rows of stitches, and you can see 2 of them now. So we'll flip the loom over. You can take a pair of scissors, trim your yarn, and then just tie a nice tight knot in the back. And now we're ready to take the rosette off the loom. Just like with the last rosette, we're just pulling all the loops off the loom until all of them are off. These are your 2 different styles of centers. We have the solid center and the outline center.